In this problem, we're given two linear equations and asked to graph them to determine if they are parallel or perpendicular lines. We're going to graph the first one, written in black ink, that says y is equal to 3x plus 1. Again, our slope is 3, and our y-intercept is 1. So let's try that. I'm going to go to my y-intercept of 1, and then I'm going to show my slope as being rise 3, run 1. So up 1, 2, 3 over 1. And I'm also going to show some points on the other side of my y-intercept. So I'm going to go down 3 and to the left 1, 2, 3. Okay. So here is my very steep line. Now I'm going to try the other equation written in blue ink. My slope is still 3 over 1, and my y-intercept this time is negative 3. So let's see what this looks like. So I'm going to go to negative 3 on my graph. And then my slope is still rise 3, run 1. So rise 3, run 1. Rise 3, 1, 2, 3, run 1. And right here you can actually tell that these two lines, when drawn correctly, sorry for that little error, are parallel. One way to know is that they have the same slope. So if two linear equations have the same slope, they are going to be parallel.